cool. Good evening, guys. It was a great day today. It was a church day. So what I'm going to do here is we're going to use this. As much as we have seen that yesterday they did split these numbers. So if you see a split like this, you must always expect that sometimes some of the numbers will do what will repeat. So let's just use the home figures. Home figure of 15 is 6. Home figure of 17 is 8. Home figure of 31 is 4. Home figure of 35 is 8. Home figure of 40 is 4. Home figure of 44 is 8. So meaning that 8 is a powerful number tonight. So 8, because it just appeared almost 3 times here. 8 and 4. You know, there's a friend of mine who always remind me, Coach, please don't forget the home figures. Of which I see, you know what, I don't have to forget the home figures. And now I think 12 or 21 must drop. Okay, cool. So let's go to our code and check exactly what is going to happen. Okay, so let me maybe say banker. Be careful, especially when I'm giving you the bankers. Banker is gonna be 12 or 21. Then here, banker, let me just write banker so we clear. Banker 16 and 8. Then here banker, I'm just gonna put the numbers as bankers. Banker, I'm gonna say 13 and 19. Watch these numbers tonight. I'm telling you guys, they're going to make wonders. Okay, after that, let's break the codes. Actually, let's start breaking this top code. I like to, it's 612, which means it's 612, which is we're going to start by breaking that one. Let me just try to specify each and everything that is here. So when I break this code, I'm going to have a 6, actually a 16, you have a 12 or a 21 or a 21. Then down here, if I break, I have a 6, I have an 8, I have an 18, I have a 16. Then down here, I'm going to have 13, 31, 39, 1, and then 19. I love this code 139. It's always make us win in other cases. Okay, cool. So let's do this. Let's actually focus on code 139. Code 139. So this code, you just have to spin, make 31, get the 9 there. Then upwards, if you check, there's a 19 there, which can be 31, 19 or 13, 19. Then if you check, it's 31, 9. If you check, it's 39, 1. It's 1, 39. So watch these numbers on both draws, the branch and what do you call the other one? Branch and tea time. But I still have a question at myself here now. Just want to go and check these results properly. What happened here? Because I don't know, did only 35 came. So now, which means there's another strategy that they used. Let us just try to do this. We say 24, 30, 35. Then we try to add up everything. We're going to say 24, 30, 35, 45. So it's 24, 30, 35 plus 45. Then we get 134, which is the code worked 100%. It gave us let's check. The code now gave us 134, which means if we check properly, 134. So this code gave us 34 as the bonus. It also gave us what? 13 as a 31. It also gave us a 17, because if you say 13 plus 4, it's a 17. It gave us a 17. If you subtract, it gives us a what? It gives us a 9. So a 9 did not drop. So let us do this. Let's say 44 plus this. So it's 40, 44, 35, 45. Okay, so we're going to say 40, right? We say here 40, then we say here 44. Well, then after we get 164. So now we're exactly having our banker is, because it's 164. If we add, it gives us a 20. If you separate, it gives us a 12. So our banker is 12 or 21. So our banker should be 12 or 21. Let me see what's the code there. 16. So our banker should be, you see this number, guys, this one, 12, 16 or 21, 16 or 12, 19, 12, 21, 19. I'm telling you today, it's gonna make wonders. So before going any far, let's go and check the pairing app and see. So we're going to click it as a T. We go there, we go to number 12 and check, just to verify. If we got enough voucher, we can as well play there. Okay, so check what I'm talking about. This line 12, 16, I just spoke about it. 12, 16, 39. Then there's 12, 20, 37. 12, 26, 37. 12, 42, 48. So you can just take this pairing for 12. Then to be sure about these guys, because they spin numbers, so we're going to go to 21 as well, just to check. So you see 21 is got only 3 lines. Let's put it on 150 and say 150. Then if it's on 150 now, we're actually comfortable. Okay, we're going to say, let's see, 12, 23. But if we see a 37 like this one, we can say 21, 37, 49. We can as well say 21, 28, 44, because I see the 28 is combining all these numbers. So 21, 28, 44, 21, 31, 28, 44, something like that. I'm just giving you a hint on how you can always repair your numbers. Yeah, so guys, this is what it is. For those of you who want to join my WhatsApp group and also purchase the books, I'm going to leave a link in the first comment of this video, so you can easily follow and join the group. Or either way, what you can do, you can just buy yourself a copy of, like, I've got 9 books now that I've been writing. It's been, yeah, I think I've got 9 books now, so you can as well come and grab yours. So please guys, focus on these ones, and also take your time, write down everything that you see here, and maybe you can have a chance and lucky for you to be winning this draw, I think. And I guess I'm almost done with everything. I just need to copy this. Thank you guys, enjoy.